There are many ways to manufacture vegan sausages. In this video, one of the batch processes is introduced. At first, water and ice are added into the bowl chopper. Next, pre-mixed combi mixture is added to the chopper. Here, the mixture contains methyl cellulose, yeast extract, spices, maltodextrin, flavorings, salt, and color additives. The mass is chopped for a few minutes until the ingredients are mixed properly. Next, the homogenized mass is scraped from the bowl chopper. The mass is placed into a fridge to set for 30 minutes. Next, the base mass is prepared. First, the cold water is poured into the bowl chopper. Then the base combi mixture and salt are added. In this case, the mixture contains pea protein, carrageenan, cognac, and canola oil. Thereafter, the pre-chopped coconut fat is added to the chopper. The mass is then chopped until the coconut fat is mixed evenly in the batter. The cooled premix mass is then added to the base mass. The batter is chopped until the temperature of the mass is 13 degrees. When the batter temperature is elevated above the melting point of coconut fat, the viscosity of the batter is decreased. After the chopping, the mass is scraped from the bowl chopper. Thereafter, the mass is placed in the automated filling machine. Then, the mass is stuffed into permeable cellulose casing. In the next part, conventional cooked sausages are produced. There are numerous ways to manufacture meat sausages. In this video, the bowl chopper is used. Firstly, meat is added to the bowl chopper. Secondly, a mixture of spices, phosphates, ascorbic acid, salt, and nitrite is added. This mass is then chopped for a while. As the batter temperature rises above 15 degrees, ice is added to the bowl chopper to keep a low temperature and prevent separation of fat. After a short time, the rest of the water is added to the batter. Thereafter, the batter is chopped for a while until the chopping temperature is around 17 degrees. Then the texture and the viscosity of the batter is evaluated manually. The batter is then scraped from the bowl chopper and placed in the automated filling machine. The mass is thereafter stuffed into permeable cellulose casing. Finally, the sausages are placed in the smoking and cooking chamber. The vegan sausages were cooked until the core temperature was 88 degrees. Meat sausages were cooked until core temperature was 73 degrees.